Hi boys and girls, welcome to Science. This week we're talking about living and non-living things, and we're also talking about basic needs of living things. And one of the basic needs is nutrients, and that includes for many living things like us humans, water. And we need water. Animals also need water, plants need water, and we're going to read a book, a really fun book called Watch Over Our Water, which talks about water and how we need to take care of it. And then afterwards we're going to draw a picture of our favorite place where we find water. Could be the beach, a river, somewhere like that. But let's go ahead first and read our book. Watch Over Our Water. Chapter 1. More important than root beer. Hi, I'm Trina. I'm working to be an earth saver. So today I made an earth map. The earth has so much water. I almost ran out of blue marker. I guess I'd better think about water if I'm going to save the earth. Dad agrees water is really important. He says that more than half of a human body is made of water. Do you think that means we have fish swimming around inside? Plants, animals, and people need water to live, and people use water for more than just drinking. We use it to grow food. We use it to get clean. Chapter 2. Stop water waste. Almost all of the Earth's water is salty ocean water. Yuck! Drinking too much of it makes us sick. The Earth doesn't really have a lot of drinkable water, so we can't waste it. My teacher says even kids can conserve water. Conserve means to not waste it. She says taking a fast shower uses less water than taking a bath. But I have a better idea. I'll just stay dirty. Lots of wasted water goes down the toilet. So my family has a special rule when we're at home. We say, if it's pee, let it be. Don't think of it as gross. It's saving Earth's water. One less flush at a time. Chapter 3. Keep water clean. My dog Daisy creates another problem. Her toilet is outside. I don't want her dog Doob washing into the water underground, so I clean up after Daisy. Saving the earth can be a smelly job. Litter often gets washed into lakes and rivers. This also makes the water dirty. Make sure you put your trash where it belongs. Otherwise, I might end up drinking it. Maybe you can help me conserve water and keep it clean. Then I can find another way to save the earth tomorrow. Alright boys and girls, thank you for reading the book with me. Now for your activity, I would like you to draw a picture and use crayons to color it of your favorite place where you see water. So it could be the ocean, if you visited the beach, that's a great place to see water. Maybe a lake near your house where you visited and had some fun there with your family. A river that you've seen as well, maybe a fast-moving river. What's your favorite place to find water, or where's your favorite body of water? Okay, so draw a picture, make sure you color it, write your name on there, upload it, and thank you for joining me today for Science.